When you cancel or upgrade your T-Mobile home internet, returning your leased Wi-Fi equipment, like the T-Mobile 5G gateway, is crucial to avoid hefty fees of $400 to $500. You have two primary options: store drop-off and mail back. Store drop-off offers immediate confirmation and is free. Visit any T-Mobile retail store with your equipment and account information for on-site inspection. Mailback involves downloading a prepaid shipping label from the T-Mobile app or website, securely packaging your equipment, preferably in the original box, and dropping it off at a UPS or FedEx location. Both methods require initiating the return through the T-Mobile app or website under Equipment and Accessories, selecting the device, and choosing a return reason. Refunds or credits are typically processed within 7 to 14 days after T-Mobile receives the equipment. To ensure a successful return, the equipment must be in like-new condition without damage or modifications. Include all original packaging and accessories, like Ethernet cables. Returns are generally mandatory for leased equipment. Digital integration improvements allow users to generate prepaid shipping labels via T-Mobile's app and website, reducing processing time to 3 to 5 business days. Common issues include damage, like water damage, or third-party modifications, which can disqualify the return. T-Mobile is also focusing on eco-friendly returns, even offering incentives for recycling equipment.